Did someone make the first move at the disco? Is that how it worked?
No, it was later. No, it was, well, we obviously disagree on.
That's great.
Interestingly, we met on a train platform.
So I think honesty from a trustworthy perspective, opposed to honesty rather than just out and out brutality.
I don't know, I'm a little bit brutal.
Somebody claims I pushed her over a wall at the bus stop, but I deny that.
They said, oh, I think you would make a great couple. So it was a sort of blind date.
Wow.
We got talking and we were just sort of friends, weren't we, for quite a while.
He's actually forgotten.
Hiya, welcome to a new episode of Easy English. This week we want to bring you part 3 of our favourite series of Falling in Love. Before we get started, if you've not watched part 1 or part 2 of this series, then click the links at the end of the video. This is how couples met each other. Here we go. How did you two meet each other?
We met a long time ago in Bristol, in the west of England.
At a disco.
At a disco, yeah.
So it was at Hove train station on the platform. I saw a friend who was at uni a couple of years below me. I recognised him, so I started to have a chat with him. And his boyfriend was also, they were commuting up to London, and his boyfriend was with him, Jason, as well. And Sam was their train buddy. We got talking and we was just sort of friends, weren't we, for quite a while.
He's actually forgotten.
Partying. Well,
So, no, I wasn't their train buddy because I didn't know them because you knew them. I didn't know any of you.
But how did you get to... you were chatting with them, though?
No.
Oh, I honestly thought that you were a train buddy with them.
I know. So let me just correct you. So you guys always knew each other before me, and I used to strut along and you used to sort of like check me out a little bit. And then we all started kind of like recognising each other on the platform, and then eventually we did get talking.
We met at college.
Yeah, and then I became more associated with her when I had a house party.
Yeah.
Well, we first met, I did my work experience at Butlins Hotel, which is now a Grand Ocean Apartments in Salting,
really?
when I was 14. And Jackie had moved down from the Midlands and was working there as a receptionist. That's when we first met. And then we drifted apart for a number of years and did different things. And then we met again when we were 21.
Right.
Yeah, so we've been together, 29 years now?
Yeah, nearly 30 years.
Wow.
30 years, yeah.
You can go first. We met through friends. So then we met through friends.
So I worked with the boyfriend of Liz's cousin.
Boyfriend of Liz's cousin.
Okay. And I was my cousin, we were good friends as well, same age, so we went out a lot, and so
after work.
So that's it. And so then they said, oh, I think you would make a great couple. So it was a sort of blind date.
Oh, wow.
And we met, and that was 40 plus years ago. So there we go.
Congrats.
So we are both teachers, and we met at school working.
Could you then tell me how you two both met then?
Oh dear.
Somebody claims I pushed her over a wall at the bus stop, but I deny that.
This video was sponsored by italki, the site that allows you to find online language teachers for one-on-one tutoring. As a new user, you'll get $10 in italki credits after your first lesson if you register using the link go.italki.com/easy English. If you don't like reading complicated language books or listening to pre-recorded audio courses, then italki is for you. You'll get to practice your conversational skills under different real-world scenarios, as speaking with humans is the best and fastest way to learn a language. You can customize your lessons to cater for your language needs and interests, and the one-on-one lessons provide you with undivided attention with teachers at your preferred time, whether you're at home, at the airport, or at the local park. You have complete access. So head on over to italki and use the link go.italki.com/easy English to start your first lesson and get $10 in italki credits. Did someone make the first move at the disco? Is that how it worked?
No, it was later. No, it was, well, we obviously disagree on.
That's great.
I think it was at the disco. You approached me. Let's keep it simple.
Are Are you saying that you made the first move of the push? That's what
Apparently
started it. So did you keep in contact in this off periods when you went back?
No, not at all.
No, not at all. No, it was a sheer fluke that we met the second time round. It was Jackie was working with one of my friends' girlfriends, and then my friend and I used to go in the pub to visit his wife. Well, what is his wife now? And then we met up again there. Yeah.
That's amazing. Nice story.
We kind of ended up as a couple. He pretty much moved in straight away. He proposed 3 months later, and we got married 6 months after that.
Wow. So strangers on a train.
And it's our 20th anniversary this last week. Yeah.
Perfect. I was going to ask that. Congratulations. That's great.
Yeah.
Well, I'm glad that I'm also giving you guys clarity.
Yeah. just to be clear.
And how long ago was this?
This was approximately
11 years ago.
11 years
ago.
We've been married for 48 years.
Wow, okay, 48 years.
Known each other for 52.
Is it 52? Oh, he knows all those things, I don't.
It was well over 40 years ago.
This is 1979.
Yes, yes. So that's how long we've been together.
Disco in Bristol.
Yes.
Nice. And then, could I then ask, I don't mind who goes first, what would you say is the best quality or feature of the other person? What would you say is the best quality of the other person?
His personality and his loyalty.
And what about the personality is inside that, to be more specific?
Well, it's been 30 years and he can still make me cry with laughter.
He's good fun and also very trustworthy. Yeah, and very loving.
Justin's patience for sure.
Okay.
Justin, nephew.
From the 11 years, what would you say is the other person's best quality?
Oh my gosh. Lauren is, I think, the kindest person I've ever met. He's got such a pure soul. So no, you are so kind. Like I think that you're incredibly selfless. That's what I would say.
Wow, no pressure.
That's very sweet, isn't it? Evan's really kind. He's really nice, and he's also cool. Like he's got his own style.
Wow, there you go.
Understanding, I think.
Nice. What would you say is the other person's best quality?
Yours is tolerance.
Yeah, I think so. I think that's probably a good description.
Yeah, I think probably honesty, and we have a laugh still, don't we? I think
Yeah.
we're still friends before anything else, I would have thought. Is that fair to say?
Yeah, and he's a great dad.
She's very, very reliable. and happy.
On the head.
Yes, she's happy.
And
honest.
Just ensure that it's going to be another 20 years of happiness before you answer.
Her fun and crazy side.
That's the correct
That's
answer.
great.
That's a good one.
I love that. That's really good.
I would say that you are very thoughtful. You put everybody else's needs before your own, and that's a really nice quality.
Kay just has like a really nice personality, and I just like to be around her all the time.
Okay. And what would you say is
Sticks at things. He's committed to things and sticks at it.
Okay.
As opposed to me, who would just give up. I think that's why. I think that's quite a, that's quite a good thing to be.
He's very financially aware.
Astute.
Yes.
What would you, if you could come to an agreement on, what would you say is like the most important quality in order to maintain a relationship?
I guess the thing that people always say, but it is true, is just, talking about things. Don't have secrets. And try and talk everything through and see if you can find a solution. Communication. Yes.
Good.
Yes.
Yeah, I agree with that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's the most important bit? The talking or the listening?
There's no. They're equal, but different.
For me, it was listening.
Yes, yes.
It was listening.
Yes.
To what she wanted.
I think have fun.
It is, isn't it?
And be like kids, because we are on a daily basis. Every month since we've met in over 20 years, we always do pinch punch first day of the month without fail. No matter even if he's still asleep.
Very stupid.
We'll plan it meticulously so that we try to win.
I feel like loyalty, definitely.
Loyalty, trust.
Yeah.
Just understanding each other.
What would you say, maybe the answer is one of these, is the most important quality in order to be a good partner?
Honesty.
Honesty.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Perfect honesty.
Like brutal honesty?
Brutal honesty. Yeah.
I think trustworthiness. I don't think it's just a question of honesty as in, how do I look today? You look dreadful. You could do better. I think it's a question of honesty that there's a reliability and a trustworthiness. I think honesty from a trustworthy perspective, opposed to honesty rather than just out and out brutality.
I don't know, I'm a little bit brutal.
I suppose, I don't know, give and take.
Give and take.
Yeah.
Give and take.
It's not always smooth, but hey, you go over the rough bits and then there's smooth bits again. So there you go.
Very good. What would you say is the most important quality that has kept you together?
Love, trust, friendship,
tolerance. We have to have several bathrooms.
Yes.
Yeah, that's probably
That's the most important thing.
That's the most important thing.
Yeah. Brilliant.
And keeping our family together. Actually, we're very close. We haven't got a big family, but we are very close.
We got 2 girls and a granddaughter.
Yeah.
That's great. That's really nice. Thanks for watching this week's episode. Let us know in the comments below how you met your partner and what makes them so great. And as always, we'll see you next time. Ta-ra!
I could be maybe in the kitchen. I'll just try and sort of pretend that I'm doing something. There'll be pinch punch first day and the month of no return.
You have to say no return so you don't get
And you
back.
have to do the no return. But we do
Otherwise,
this.
I can come
We've
back. I can
never
come back
missed it.
I go punch the kick for being so
I don't know how many months, 12 times 20 months, whatever that is. We've never failed to do it.
I love it.